Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. Today, I'm going to take a look at the Honor 90 Lite, a new mid-range phone from Honor that boasts a 100 megapixel ultra camera, a 6.7-inch edgeless display, and a 256GB large storage. Let's see if this phone is worth your money. But before that guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. Let's start with the design. The Honor 90 Lite has a sleek design with a 7.5mm thickness and a 179 grams weight only. It comes in three colors: titanium silver, cyan lake, and midnight black. The phone has a dual SIM slot, a USB Type-C port, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Unfortunately, it does not have a 3.5 headphone jack or a micro SD card slot. The display of the Honor 90 Lite is one of its highlights. It has a 6.7-inch IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2388 pixels and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. This screen has an aspect ratio of 19:9 and cover 89.6 screen to body ratio. The display supports multi-point touch and has a circadian night mode that adjusts the brightness and color temperature according to the time of day. Moving on to the camera of Honor 90 Lite, which is another selling point. It has a triple rear camera setup consisting of 100 megapixel main sensor, a 5 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. The main camera can capture stunning photos with high resolution and natural colors. It supports HDR, panorama by 1080p video recording. The front camera has a 16 megapixel selfie shooter that can also record 1080p videos. Under the hood, the performance of the Honor 90 Lite is decent for its price range. It is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, which is a 7nm octa-core processor with 2 Cortex A76 cores clocked at 2.2 GHz and 6 Cortex A55 cores clocked at 2.0 GHz. The GPU is Mali G57 MC2, which can handle casual gaming and graphics-intensive tasks. The phone has an impressive 8GB of RAM and a generous 256GB of internal storage. It also has an intelligent RAM turbo technology that can expand the memory to 13GB for smoother performance. Now, the battery of Honor 90 Lite is average for its size. It has a 4500 mAh lithium polymer battery that can last for a day of moderate use. It supports 22.5 watts wired charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 55% in just 30 minutes. However, it does not support wireless charging or reverse charging as well. The software of this phone is based on Android 13 with Magic UI 7.1 on top. The user interface is clean and simple with some customization options and features. The phone supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and 5G connectivity. It also has a dual HiRes certification for excellent sound quality. The Honor 90 Lite is priced at 899 dirhams here in Dubai, which is quite competitive for its specifications. So, what do I think of this Honor 90 Lite? Yes, it is a good phone for people who want a large display, a high-resolution camera, and a lot of storage space. It has a decent performance, a good battery life, and a decent software experience. However, it lacks some features that are common in other mid-range phones such as headphone jack, a micro SD card slot, wireless charging, and reverse charging. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video of Honor 90 Lite review. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace out.